Good morning. The essay Dream Children is prescribed for the students of BA Part 1 English Literature in Paper 2. This essay is by the famous writer Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb is also known as Elia. Lamb was born on February 10th, 1775. He was a British man, that is, he was from England. He died at the age of 59. He is famous as a writer and essayist. His father was John Lamb and his mother was Elizabeth Field. His siblings, means brother sister, John Lamb was his brother also, and Mary Lamb was his sister. Charles Lamb died on 27th December 1834. Charles Lamb was an English essayist, poet, fiction writer, and critic from the Romantic period who continues to be one of the most lovable and read English essayists of all times. He was one of the significant members of the Lake Poets, among whom William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge were his close friends. Although he could not attain during enduring popularity for his poetry as his friends Wordsworth and Coleridge did, he later channelized his energies into writing prose, and in this pursuit emerged as one of the best essayists of his times. Two of his collections, Essays of Elia and Tales of Shakespeare, are considered his best works as an essayist. Essays of Elia, which contained a string of autobiographical record of experiences and essays of Elia, a fictitious character of the writer, is counted among the most excellent illustrations of the English style of essays and compositions. यानी कि इलिया उन्होंने अपना उपनाम रखा था और उनकी एक निबंधों का संकलन है जिसका टाइटल है एसेज ऑफ इलिया। और इन एसेज में अधिकतर वो खुद के बारे में या खुद से संबंधित अनुभव एक्सपीरियंसेस को रिकॉर्ड किया है। His other prominent work, Tales of Shakespeare, which he produced along with his sister Mary Lamb, consists of plays of Shakespeare for children. Some of his other notable works are John Woodville, The Adventures of Ulysses, On the Tragedies of Shakespeare, and Witches and Other Night Fears. Childhood and early life. He was born on February 10th, 1775 in London to John Lamb and Elizabeth Field. ये उनके फादर और मदर के नाम हैं, जॉन लैम्ब फादर, एलिजबेथ फील्ड मदर, as their youngest child among three living children. His father worked as a clerk for a lawyer. His brother John and sister Mary were many years older to him. He was quite close to his paternal aunt, यानी कि फादर की सिस्टर, बुआ जिसको हम कहते हैं, पैटर्नल यानी कि पिता से संबंधित, हेटी एंड मेटर्नल ग्रैंड मदर, मेटर्नल यानी कि मदर से संबंधित, जिनका नाम था मिसेस फील्ड। और ये जो हम ऐसे करेंगे ड्रीम चिल्ड्रन, उसमें वो अपनी दादी के ही बारे में बता रहा है। दादी नहीं, सॉरी, नानी, क्योंकि वो उनकी मदर एलिजबेथ की मदर थी, एंड मेटर्नल ग्रैंड मदर नानी, मिसेस फील्ड। मेरी टॉट हिम टू रीड, मेरी उनकी सिस्टर का नाम है, एंड देर आफ्टर ही केम अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ मिसेस रेनॉल्ड्स विथ whom he maintained lifelong contact. अब ये मिसेस रेनॉल्ड्स ने शायद उनको बचपन में पढ़ाया होगा। He joined Christ's Hospital at 7. It was in this free boarding school where he met Samuel Taylor Coleridge. कोलरिज एक इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के बहुत फेमस कवि हैं. इनकी पोएम आप अगले साल सेकेंड ईयर में पढ़ेंगे. एंड डेवलप्ड अ फ्रेंडशिप दैट रिमेन फॉर लाइफ. ही अटेंडेड द स्कूल till 1789. Career. He suffered from stutter यानी कि हकलाते थे all his life, which disqualified him from a clerical career. वो अच्छे से नौकरी नहीं मिल पाई उनको इस वजह से. After a short stint in the office of a London merchant, Joseph Pace, he joined the examiner's office of the South Sea House, where he served in a small post till February 8th, 1792. Charles became heavily addicted to alcohol, यानी कि वो नशे के आदी हो गए थे. Once in 1795, he had to stay in an asylum for 6 weeks. Asylum एक तरीके से हम पागल खाना समझ सकते हैं. Lamb and his sister Mary Lamb led an active social life with some of the notable literary and theatrical personalities around. Theatrical यानी कि नाटक मंचों से जुड़े हुए जो लोग होते हैं. Coleridge was a close childhood friend, and later Lamb befriended William Wordsworth. Befriended यानी कि दोस्त हो गए थे वो. Both of them remained his friends for life. He also became acquainted with many young writers in London like Leigh Hunt, William Hazlitt, and Percy Bysshe Shelley, who advocated political reform. On April 16, 1796, his first literary work came out in the first volume of Poems on Various Subjects, published by Coleridge, that contained 4 poems by Lamb. In 1798, his romantic prose, A Tale of Rosamond, was published. In the same year, his works were published along with that of Charles Lloyd in the book Black Verse. After his father's demise, यानी कि डेथ, पिताजी की डेथ के बाद, in 1799, Mary shifted with Charles for good. For good मतलब हमेशा के लिए, यानी कि उनकी बड़ी सिस्टर मैरी उनके साथ आकर रहने लगी. However, her insanity proved to be recurrent in nature and she had to visit the asylum many a times. लेकिन उनको पागलपन के दौरे पड़ते थे और ये समय समय पर होता रहा और उन्हें पागल खाने में कई बार दाखिला देना पड़ा या भेजना पड़ा. To earn a decent living for him and his sister Mary, he started writing short articles for London newspapers from around 1801. One of his notable works, Tales from Shakespeare, which he produced along with his sister Mary Lamb, was published in 1807. It is an adaptation of plays of Shakespeare for children, where he worked on the tragedies while Mary worked on the comedies. यानी कि विलियम शेक्सपियर के जो नाटक हैं उनको कहानी में रूपांतर करके और उनको बच्चों के लिए प्रस्तुत किया है. He retold the works of Shakespeare while sprinkling his own critical views regarding the plays. Many of his critical reviews on Shakespeare, as also on William Hogarth, were published on Reflector, a quarterly magazine by Hunt. ये ले हंट की बात हो रही है. In 1808, Charles Lamb came out with The Adventures of Ulysses, an adaptation of Odyssey for children. The same year, his Specimens of English Dramatic Poets who lived about the time of Shakespeare, that consisted of selective scenes of Elizabethan dramas, was published. यानी कि शेक्सपियर के समय के जो और सारे नाटककार थे उनके प्लेज में से कुछ सीन्स लेकर उनका संकलन उन्होंने किया था. Thereafter, Charles and Mary published Mrs. Leicester's School in 1809. A collection of essays, Essays of Ilya, which contain autobiographical account of experiences of Ilya, an imaginary figure created by Lamb, was published in 1823. यानी कि इलिया नाम का एक इमेजिनरी पर्सन उन्होंने क्रिएट किया था. इमेजिनरी यानी कि जो वास्तविक में नहीं था, और उसके नाम से उन्होंने एसेज लिखे थे. द एसेज वर अर्लियर इश्यूड सीरियली इन द लंडन मैगजीन, द ओल्डेस्ट लिटरेरी जर्नल ऑफ यूके. However, Lamb's major works. Lamb's work, along with his sister Mary, Tales from Shakespeare, emerged as a bestseller in the children's library of William Godwin. His collection of essays, Essays of Ilya, is considered one of the most remarkable works on English style of essays and compositions. His farce, Mr. H, was performed at Drury Lane in 1807. फार्स यानी कि एक नाटक जिसमें कॉमेडी होती है. Fortuitously, Lamb's first publication was in 1796. His collected essays under the titles Essays of Ilya were published in 1823. The last essays of Ilya were published in 1823 and 1833 respectively. Lamb's discerning and lively correspondence is collected in the Letters of Charles Lamb, which was published in 1935. Personal life and legacy. His first supposed love interest was Anne Simmons in 1792, who finds place in many of his Ilya essays with the pseudonym Alice M. His love affair failed and Simmons married a silversmith. He again fell in love with actress Fanny Kelly, but was unsuccessful this time as well when Kelly turned down his marriage proposal. In 1823, he and his sister adopted Emma Isola, an orphan girl. As his sister's insanity bouts became more frequent, यानी कि जैसा कि पहले कहा गया है उनकी सिस्टर को पागलपन के दौरे होते थे, he relocated to Edmonton in 1833 so that Mary can avail a constant care from her nurse. The same year, Emma married Edward Moxon, a friend of Lamb, and Lamb became more lonely and depressed. On December 27, 1834, he died after suffering because of a fall in the street. He was interred in Edmonton at the All Saints churchyard. Mary was laid beside him after her death in 1847. That's all about Charles Lamb's life. In the next session, we will look at the essay Dream Children by Charles Lamb. Thank you.